That was indeed happy to hear from you, ma'am. Thank you, and we promise to keep up with the expectations. Now I request our pre-primary and primary headmistress, Mrs. Justina Rayappan ma'am, to step forward to present a gift as a small token of love to our chief guest, Mrs. Pooja Gaurav Faria ma'am. Our head girl, Ms. Samaira Sheikh, to accompany our madam. Chief guest ma'am to accept this gift. Thank you, ma'am. This is the time when we recognize and celebrate the outstanding achievements of our students who have demonstrated exceptional talent, dedication, and hard work over the past year. The accomplishments reflect not only their personal efforts, but also the support and encouragement of their teachers, families, and their peers. Each of the awards we are about to present represent excellence in various fields, be it academics, sports, co-curricular activities, or overall leadership. We take this opportunity to acknowledge their determination and the high standards they have set for themselves and for our institution. I request our chief guest ma'am to step forward and felicitate the winners of our primary section. So to begin with, in read aloud inter-school ward level competition, Ms. Yashika Ravindra Chand and Ms. Shiksha Kishan Gupta won the third prize. Give them a big round of applause. They deserve it. Ms. Rida Oja won the first prize in handwriting competition. It was a ward level competition. In creative writing, Ms. Geetika Shubesh won the first consolation prize. Again, it was a ward level competition where schools of students of various schools participated. In stone painting, Nayar Rishi and Bhagyavi Amit Kumar Sharma won the second prize. Parents, let us hear it loud. It's their hard work. In read aloud inter-school ward level competition, Ms. Joanna Anthony and Sparsh Santosh Renose won the consolation prize. Science project competition, Ms. Arohi Gaikwad and Harshika Devendra won the consolation prize. Parents, they are our own kids, so we can hear it aloud. In origami kirigami inter-school ward level competition, More Tirtha Vijay and Gupta Shreya Pankaj won the consolation prize. More Tirtha Vijay, she won the fourth consolation prize, and Gupta Shreya Pankaj, She won the 5th consolation prize. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. Now I request our Vice President, Sri Ramachandran sir, to step forward and do the honors. Cups and Bulbul dance competition. Miss Myra, Miss Geetika, Miss Samira, Miss Uzma and Miss Jamil won the 3rd prize. Your clap should echo the wall so that more and more students would like to come to the stage to take the prizes next year. In Cups and Bulbul drawing competition, Master Akshar Manohar Jadhav won prize in drawing competition conducted by Cups and Bulbul. Master Yash Agre won a prize for the drawing competition conducted by Cups and Bulbuls. Nair Rishi won prize in Cups and Bulbul drawing competition. Gaikwad won a prize in Cups and Bulbul drawing competition. Parents, we can't hear it. In Cups and Bulbul mono acting competition, Sudhan Santosh Inarkar and Gauri Lad won 1st prize. Master Amritanand Sajeevan was awarded as the best cup for the year 2024. Miss Lad Gauri Rupesh was being awarded as the best Bulbul for their outstanding performance. They have been awarded as the best cup and the best Bulbul. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. Now I request the principal of Degree College, our own Vijayata Shetty ma'am, to step forward and do the honors. Parihar Dhwani won the consolation prize in the same competition, Pencil Stencil, conducted by P South Ward level. A competition named Creature, conducted by ACS Fest, Ridha Prashant Oja and Nidesh Rupesh Lad won the consolation prize. Parents, again and again I have to remind you, on a maze, Sanskruti Shivaji Biradar won the first prize and Tanisha Halde won the third prize. See a solo event, Yerunkar Prathamesh of Standard First won the first consolation prize. For their age, they deserve a big round of applause. A trio event, the gift hamper, Myra Kalpesh Singh, Shreyas Rewale, Pranav Patil won the first prize. It was a trio event in the ACS Fest competition. I request Principal of Secondary and Junior College, Shija Ma'am, to come forward to do the honors. Talk to Me, a solo event, Ms. Geetika Subesh of Standard 4th won the consolation prize. Of Their Heart, a solo event, Ms. Bhagyavi Sharma and Akshar Jadhav won second and fourth consolation prize. Who's Who, a solo event, Ms. Swejal Bhupesh Singh won the second prize. Into the Clouds, Master Rishi Nair won a consolation prize. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. Now I request our Honorable Secretary Sri Shashi Verma sir to step forward to honor Master Rishi Nair once again won second prize in area level Gita chanting competition. The same excited charm. Pramila Renose. Mrs. Pramila Renose won third prize in area level Gita chanting competition. Defeat Cancer India, the collection that was being done by the student, Hari Pashikanti, Medansh Yadav and Daksh Suvarna has won a trophy for the highest collection contribution they have done. but teachers also participate in various competition and bring laurels to the institution. So in teaching aid ward level competition, Mrs. Mahalakshmi Valaraman won a prize. In inter-school patriotic dance competition, Mrs. Sandhya Singh, Mrs. Bharti Sharma, Ms. Manju, Mrs. Sumati Yadav, Mrs. Kenslin, Mrs. Tripti, Ms. Durga, and Mrs. Saloni Pitale won a prize. I request all the teachers to come on the stage. It was a group dance.
Parents, please clap for our teachers. Come on, parents, please clap. Encourage our teachers.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our treasurer, Krishnamurthy sir. Verma sir, please stay over here. I request our treasurer, Krishnamurthy sir, as well as our vice president, Shri Ramachandran sir, to come forward. I call upon Mrs. Jessica Gonsalves, Mrs. Carol Demelo, and Mrs. Neha Chetia to come on stage and take the award for completing 15 years of meritorious service that you have given and shown to a growing institution. Mrs. Neha Chetiyal. Have completed the 15 years of service in our Vivek Education Society. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. Now I request Mrs. Pravin Cyril to step forward and propose the vote of thanks.
A very good evening to one and all present over here. It gives me an immense pleasure this evening to propose the vote of thanks. I am indeed honored to express my sincere thanks to today's chief guest, Mrs. Pooja Gaurav Faria, for gracing this occasion. I also thank our governing council members of Vivek Education Society, Vice President Sri Ramachandran Sir, Honorable Secretary Mr. Sashi Verma Sir, Joint Secretary S. Krishnan Sir, Treasurer Sri Krishnamurthy Sir, Principal of Degree College Dr. Vijayata Setti, the Principal of Secondary and Junior College Mrs. Sija Menon, Vice President of PTA, Mrs. Anand Jyoti. Thank you one and all. My heartfelt thanks to all the distinguished guests and all the retired teachers who added sheen to our programs with their presence. My sincere thanks to Bengali decorators for the stage and the decorations. I owe my heartfelt thanks to Mani Mallar sound and light system for providing wonderful light and sound service, and also for their guidance for the students to do their best on the stage. I would also thank Mr. Yadav sir for his excellent photography service. Programs cannot achieve success without imparting sufficient training to the students, and the success of these cultural programs goes to the teaching faculty of nursery, pre-primary and primary section of various programs. Also, thanking our non-teaching staffs, supporting staffs, security, housekeeping for doing their assigned duties on time. A special thanks to Navaratna caterers for providing tea and snacks. I sincerely thank all well-wishers and parents who are here for being a part of our celebration. I thank all the volunteers in managing the crowd, especially our students and staff members of secondary section. Above all, I thank Almighty for showering His blessings on all of us. Thank you, and may God bless everyone. Enjoy today's colorful evening with variety of entertainment programs. Thank you.
की पहचान है. Yes, our parents are actually gods disguised as human beings. They are the ones who bring us to this world, who strive throughout their life to fulfill all our desires at the sacrifice of theirs. फिर क्यों न कहे ऐसे माता पिता को हम हमारे भगवान, और कैसे दिखा सकते हैं उनका आत्मसम्मान. Welcome students of primary section with a big round of applause for performing Hindi dance.
कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा बेटा हमारा, ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा बेटा हमारा, ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा. अपने जहां के हम बादशाह हैं, मस्ती भरा ये अपना जहां है.
अपने जहां के हम बादशाह हैं, मस्ती भरा ये अपना जहां है.
तूने जो की है बेटे जब भी शरारत कोई, मैं भी हूँ शामिल हुआ. आहा आहा.
मस्ती से जीने का आता है मजा, जो तुमसे ही हासिल हुआ. आहा आहा.
फिर से मैं दीवाना हो गया.
रिश्ता था याराना हो गया.
जब से तू आया तब से है पाया मैंने दोबारा बचपन मेरा. अपने जहां के हम बादशाह हैं,
himself a wife. But a daughter is a daughter all her life. पापा की परी हूँ मैं, परी हूँ मैं।
ये लड़कियां तो माओ की रानियां हैं, ये लड़कियां तो माओ की रानियां हैं, मीठी मीठी प्यारी प्यारी ये कहानियां हैं।
इनका नाम है रखवाला, इनका बचपन भोला भाला, भोले वाले से इनकी जवानियां हैं। ये लड़कियां तो माओ की रानियां हैं, मीठी मीठी प्यारी प्यारी ये कहानियां हैं। सबके दिल की सारे घर की ये रानियां हैं, सबके दिल की सारे घर की ये रानियां हैं। ये चिड़िया एक दिन फिर से उड़ जानियां हैं, कोई इनका हाथ न छोड़े, कोई इनका दिल न तोड़े, ते सच्चे रब दिया मेहरबानियां हैं। ये बेटियां तो बाबुल की रानियां हैं, मीठी मीठी प्यारी प्यारी ये कहानियां हैं,
कहानियां हैं।
ऊंचा है भवन, ऊंचा मंदिर, ऊंची है शान मैया तेरी। चरणों में झुके बादल भी तेरे, पर्वत पे लगे शैया तेरी। हे काल रात्रि है कल्याणी, तेरा जोड़ धरा पर कोई नहीं, मेरी माँ के बराबर कोई नहीं, मेरी माँ के बराबर कोई नहीं। तेरी ममता से जो गहरा हो ऐसा तो सागर कोई नहीं, मेरी माँ के बराबर 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 कोई।
मुझे माफ करना
करना ओम साईं राम, मुझे माफ करना ओम साईं राम। तुझसे पहले लूंगा अपने बच्चों का नाम, तुझसे पहले लूंगा अपने बच्चों का नाम।
माता पिता है भगवान समान, कभी न करो उनका अपमान। सदा करे उनका आदर, जिनकी कहलाते हो तुम संतान। देखो ना हो वे कभी दुखी, रखो उन्हें तुम सदा सुखी, तुम सदा सुखी। Let's hear a thunder of claps for such a heart-touching performance. This dance was choreographed by Mrs. Sandhya Singh, Mrs. Bharti Sharma, Mrs. Gudia and Mrs. Praveen Teacher. I request Principal of Degree College Vijayata Ma'am to felicitate the choreographers with a small token of love. Lyrics and composition by Vasundhara Ogule. Music programming by Prashant Thapre. Vocals by Dr. Gauri Kavi, Miraj Gaonkar. The students of primary section will sing with the help of guided audio tracks methodology developed by Swar Dhara to aid in the learning journey of students. So here are the students of standard 1st to 4th to present before us Rag Yaman. This year too, we are continuing with Swadhara music lectures. Learning music plays a very important role in the development of cognitive abilities. The curriculum designed by Swadhara Music Literacy Program provides necessary learning experience of Hindustani music through musical illustrations. The Swar Sanskar Music Literacy Program aims to connect students with the scientific aspect of Hindustani music, which is also a great initiative towards nation building. This song was trained is a celebration of joy, togetherness, and festive spirit. Let us all come together to immerse ourselves in the cheerful rhythm and energy of this performance. With a big round of applause, let's welcome the talented students of Standard 1st to 4th who are here to mesmerize us with this enchanting English dance performance. Let's join in the festive cheer and enjoy this wonderful moment of celebration. Indeed, marvelous performance by the primary students. Jessica, Mrs. Sunitra, Mrs. Bhagyavati teacher. I request Principal of Secondary and Junior College, Shija ma'am, to give them a small token of love as appreciation. I'm sorry, I request Verma sir to give them a small token of love. Thank you, sir. When we talk divine love, it's also considered as legacy and iconic. Here in this Malayalam dance, Krishna and Radha are enjoying each moment with gopis and gopikas in Vrindavan by singing, dancing and playing.
ഗോപനുണ്ടേ ഗോപികയുണ്ടേ ഗോപനുണ്ടേ ഗോപികയുണ്ടേ വേണൂരുണ്ടേ മധുരമാകവേ മധുവരുന്നിത കാണമോടവൻ കണ്ണുപൊട്ടിയോ ആസകേളിയാകേ മനസ്സിൻ കണ്ണുപൊത്തി കളിയല്ലേ
That was indeed a lovely performance. How captivating. Poetry of footsteps, a blend of cosmic tune and divine music. They deserve a big round of applause. a rhythmic and electrifying experience, perfectly capturing the energy and celebratory effect of the moment. Let's come together to celebrate the power of music and immerse ourselves in this lively and heartwarming experience. We welcome the students for Tamil dance.
Hey!
end of the cultural program. I request all the teachers to join us on the stage for the national anthem.
जनगण अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल